Taeyang series Forever in My Heart, episode number 1. You always fall in love with a person whom you once did not even knew exist, and that's the truth. One point of view, I looked at huge, or say then more than huge, building in front of me. I took a deep breath before showing my ID card to the guard and entered inside. Why it's the being and the ending you have to give your best. It's Yoon Wayan. So today is the first day at my new university. Well, in my previous year I did well and got a scholarship in the biggest university of whole South Korea. Lucky me, but this year is my last year in university and only 6 months then I will graduate. I'm so happy. But also sad because I don't have my parents with me. They are not that due. They just live out of country in USA. I'm a clumsy person best in hiding emotion and pain. I live with a uncle and aunt and they are so good. I have to take care of myself. I have work part-time and all the money well my so-called uncle and aunt take it from me. Yeah, I have to live with them because my parents told me so. And having to study in this place is a big thing for me, so let's go. I entered to see richness everywhere. I felt girls and guys staring or say glaring at me as I walked through the hallway. I admit I'm not rich or even middle class. I'm officially poor, not my family but only me, but I'm not ugly, right? I just ignore the unwanted attention and try to find the principal office, or I cannot even ask anyone here, but I finally found it. Woohoo! I knocked on the door, but no one replied, so I knocked again. Come in, a cold yet deep voice aloud, but as much as I remember, this was not the principal voice. This voice sounded like it belonged to someone young, but what do I have to do with this info? Nothing. I slowly opened the door, entered in, and looked up. The principal was sitting on his chair with a nervous face, but he was not alone. Four guys who looked a little bit older than me were there. A specific figure catch my eyes. One of the guys who was sitting in front of the principal, not other three who were on the black couch. He looked handsome yet dangerous. I went near the table as I felt the four guys not staring but glaring at me. What's wrong with these people? But I tried to ignore them and bowed to the principal and wished, "Morning, Miss Yoon, you should bow to him also." Principal pointed at the guys in front of him. Why should I? I thought he was a student, like for real. But I bowed and boom, I hit my head on the huge wooden table as I bowed, a little too much embarrassing. I murmured a sorry as I rubbed my forehead in frustration but stopped when I heard chuckles. The guys on the couch were laughing at me when the handsome yet dangerous man glared at me, but principal did not say anything. Why? Something is seriously wrong with them, but again I ignored it, just like ignore my life problems. Principal told me where my class were and blah blah info. I bowed and left, but I did not forget to glare at the three guys on the couch who also stared at me, but one of them was looking at me like he wants to eat me up, literally. I say heavily as I got out of the office and tried to find the auditorium where my class was and found it. All the seats were taken, only 5 seats were empty, but in the last row I had no choice but to sit there. Soon after, the teacher came in and I introduced myself, even thought I did not wanted to, but the professor told me to. The class started and ended as the professor left. I got busy writing some notes when I heard the girls scream, "Is it an earthquake? No, I don't wanna die." I looked up to hear some worried thing. "Marry me," a girl screamed. "I'm pure, you can take my virginity." Another girl screamed, "Taeyang, sleep with me for one night." Another one screamed, "I love you." And here goes another one. Ew, the screams and talk stopped as someone shouted, "Shut up." Someone shouted, and as he came into my vision, I recognized him, the same handsome yet dangerous guy from principal office, and also saw the other three behind him. So his name was Tiger Hyung? No, Taehyung. Taeyang? Taekwondo? What was it? My thoughts got interrupted by a cold voice. It's Kim Taeyong.